everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. So we figured out what we're going to have for dinner, but we didn't know what we were going to have for dessert. And I've been wanting to make this for a while, but I haven't. So I'm going to try this tonight. Let's do it together. And we're going to make chocolate banana bread. So we're going to start off with 3 or 4 really ripe bananas. And we're going to give those a good mash. Okay, now to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of melted butter. That's 1 stick. Okay, we also want to do 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So I have 1/4. And 1/2, so that makes 3/4. And we want 1/4 cup of white sugar. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and give that a mix real quick. Okay, next we're going to add 2 eggs. And a tablespoon of vanilla. Yeah, a tablespoon. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Okay, now that we have our eggs and vanilla in here, we're going to give us another mix. We're going to do our dry ingredients. So I'm going to get a different bowl. We want 1.5 cups of flour. One. And a half. And we want to do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Found it. Okay. And then we want 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm only going to use 1/2 of this. Next, we're going to do 1/2 cup of baking powder. Not baking powder, I'm sorry. Cocoa powder. Okay, and we're going to give this a good mix together. Incorporate that baking soda with the flour. Once that's mixed, add it into your wet. You want to mix this, but don't over mix it. You just want to make sure you get all the dry ingredients, incorporated in there. Okay, so like that. You might still see some chunks of banana in there. That's okay. You just don't want to see chunks of flour or dry mixture. Okay, so there's that. Then we're going to add, let's see, grab something here. Want half a cup of sour cream. Just do your best to fold that in there as well. Now, next thing it calls for is chocolate chips. But if I do that, then I can't make chocolate chip cookies. So instead, we're going to use walnuts. Now, I have a 1/3 cup of walnuts here. I'm going to give it a rough chop. I'm going to add that right in there. Okay, and then fold that in. Okay, so next, we need our baking dish, which I forgot to get. Okay, I found it. So you want to get your bread dish, and you can either grease it with butter or spray it. And I'm just going to spray it. We're going to go ahead and just pour our mixture right in here. I guess spread it out as best you can. Anyway, it's going to go in a... I want to get this off. Hold on. It's good before it even bakes. Okay, so I didn't want to use all of my chocolate chips, but I tell you what I'm going to do. We're just going to sprinkle some right up on top. Okay, so there we go. It's looking all beautiful. We're going to put it in that 325-degree oven for 70 minutes, and then we'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this just came out of the oven, and I had to keep checking it. Normally, I use toothpicks, but the toothpicks I had weren't long enough to reach down there to see, so I had to use a butter knife. Anyway, the point being, it took more of closer to 80 minutes, so you want to start checking it. Everybody's oven is different. Now, when it comes out while it's warm, it is optional, but you can put just a little bit of salt on top. There we go. Not a lot, just a little. But anyway, we're going to let this cool off, and then we'll give it a taste test. Okay, so we've waited about as long as I'm going to wait. I like the corner piece here. If I can get it out. There we go. It's still hot. It's still steaming. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see the walnuts and woo. Good. It's really good. You got your chocolate and you got your banana. Everybody's happy. That's really good. Of course, you can pair this with vanilla ice cream or milk. That brings us to the end of this video. If you are enjoying the channel at all, please leave a like, comment, tell me hi, tell me where you're from, tell me if you're going to make this or if you have, or if you've done anything different when you've made it. Subscribe and share with your friends and family. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.